Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Google Chrome profile error in Windows. Type %local app data % in Windows search bar. Click %local app data %. Open Google folder. Open Chrome folder. Open user data folder. Open default folder. Delete web data file. Close and exit folder. Open Chrome. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.